Thanks for logging on to MyFoxHurricane.com. So we continue to watch a couple of areas well out into the Atlantic. That first one working its way just off the coastline of Africa really hasn't changed all that much. You see these little flare-ups of convection and then they quickly go away. So at this point, not really seeing any more organization. Now this other area, starting to see it becoming maybe a little bit better defined. We're seeing sustained areas of convection. Models are also starting to notice that as well. So Hurricane Center has upped that probability up to about a 40% chance of development over the next 5 days. And you notice that track basically working its way towards the west-northwest, getting up into some of these islands as we head towards the end of the week. So you know what that means? We've got to kind of pay attention to this. Here's another view of this, and you look, and you're actually seeing some of this drier air. That's really been affecting this one that is further to the east. But now you're starting to see, yeah, there's some dry air, but it's kind of walling off some of that dry Saharan air. It's able to maintain itself a little bit more. Yeah, you're seeing those bursts of convection. They do die down some, but it is really starting to at least maintain that one area of convection. So that's why you have to kind of watch this as we go through the next couple of days here. So here's the Fox model. The idea is right now it's still a fairly disorganized open wave. It's going to continue to work its way onto the west, and you're seeing that idea of more organization, a little more wind with this as well. And maybe by the time we get towards the end of the week, we might actually start to see a closed circulation. This could become a tropical depression before the week is out. So really all these interests across the Caribbean, Puerto Rico, down into the Windward, the Leeward Islands, all are going to be watching this very closely for just really some heavy rain and some gusty winds as we head towards the end of the week. Now, you look at the GFS and the European and kind of get an idea what our major computer models are thinking as well. The European in white has really been latching onto this a little bit stronger, showing a little bit more development than what the GFS has been suggesting, but still that same idea that we're going to see some slow potential development with this as we head towards the end of the week. That's why we're really going to start to focus in on what that might do as we head towards the weekend and into next week and what its potential meaning could be for the U.S. We'll keep you updated right here on MyFoxHurricane.com.